love the wood blocks from Dollar Tree. So before I used to have to use like the foam dice and stuff like that to make like these style pieces, but now they have the wood blocks and you make so many cute things with these. But I grabbed a pack of those and I'm gonna just give it one coat of chalk white paint. I'm not gonna do like a full coverage on it. You can do like a full coverage, and these are fun because you can make these for like different holidays, different seasons. This one's gonna be for like spring, Easter, but you can do this for different seasons, different holidays. I've made like snowmen, different things out of these. They're like really fun. So I gave that one coat of the chalk white paint, and then I'm gonna take my favorite Dollar Tree brown paint and kind of give it like a little bit of distressing. I wipe it off before it is completely dry, and like I always say, if you want to do like another step, you can sand it too, just to bring out some more of that wood and take away some of the brown once you put it on there. But once that was dry, then I just came with some twine that I also got from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to make little whiskers because we're going to make Easter bunnies for this, or spring bunnies, because bunnies are really all spring. And then I'm just going to take two pieces of it and glue it in the middle, kind of like I said, for the whiskers. And then I'm going to take this acrylic paint pen and I'm going to draw on the face. You can do this with like a fine tip paintbrush too if you wanted to, and I'm just freestyling. You could do this with a Sharpie too. So I did the eyes and I did the mouth, and then I'm gonna make a little bow. If you were making these like little Easter bunny boys, you could put like a little bow tie in the front. You could do these a few different ways and just like do the ears and stuff. I got this burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree, so this came in a few different colors too, so you can get like a lot of cute colors for the season. And then they have some too in print, but I'm just going to cut some big enough to what I want to do to make the bow, and then I'm going to stack it with some other ribbon also. You can just do one ribbon. You can make like a traditional bow with this. You can make like a little rough bow like I'm doing. You can do this in a few different ways, but once I got all of my pieces of ribbon together, I'm just going to scrunch them together and then tie them off with a bit of twine, and that is it. And I'm gonna leave the tail on the twine to be part of the ribbon, so I'm not gonna cut it off after I tie the knot, but I did tie it twice, and I tied it in the front, so like I said, it could be part of the ribbon. You can add some extra twine in there too, but when you stack all the ribbons together, I think it gives it like a cute little look, and you can do this to do a bunch of different things. That's how I make most of my bows, really. And then I'm going to take some pipe cleaner and I'm going to make the ears. I had already crunched up this I had spiraled this up and then pulled it back out to give it like a little crinkle. You don't need to have the crinkle in it, but you can also use other ears. Dollar Tree has a lot of cute like little pieces and stuff too that you can use, but I'm going to glue all of that together, and then I'm going to glue it right on top to make a little bow, and that is really it for that. But you can do these, like I said, different kind of characters. You can do ducks. We're gonna do ducks too. You can do different things for the season. But yeah, and then I have these half beads that I'm gonna use for the nose, but you can just really use anything. I'm gonna paint mine like this pink. I'm not going to leave the pink on there because it is like kind of dark. So what I'm going to do is give it a coat and then wipe it off right away before it is dry. And then you see it kind of gives it like a little pink stain. And then I'm going to glue that right in the middle of the twine that we put there. And then that like makes the nose. And that is it for the bunny. For one of the blocks, I'm just going to write on it. I freestyled it. I didn't like the way it looked when I was done writing it, so I just turned it around to a different side and I wrote it again. But yeah, you need to have good handwriting, which I don't, but this is how they came out, and I think they're so cute, so simple and fun to make.